Welcome back to Drift Vitals. Today we're going to change the Tpms sensors in all four tires using this A Premium 1 Tpms tire sensor. As you can see, these A Premium A1, I've used them a few times, mostly for the Honda parts, and I've had very good results with them. And you order them off of Amazon. But one of the main thing is that was intriguing about them was that they are pre-programmed, which means you don't need a tire program sensor to program them. So I'm gonna try to install them myself. As you can see, the car is on the lift, the quick jack. I'm gonna take the tires off and then take the air out. Try to move the tire to the side using a jack, maybe the old time jacks that's in the cars, and try to replace them with these. Well, guys, upon inspecting the tires, the front tires, taking them off, I noticed that obviously this is getting low. The car is cambered, so you're gonna naturally have this. Instead of having wear here, you're gonna have it more here, but it's okay, it wasn't that bad. But then I found this big lip over here coming out. It's separated. So I don't know exactly how this happened. It's maybe a defect, or maybe the way I had the tire on the car, it stretched, you know, and this happened. So, yeah. So it looks like we're gonna be doing more than just TPMS sensor. We're gonna have to get 2 new tires, and I think I might just let, since I'm going to get the tire shop to do this, I might as well just let the tire shop also change the sensors at the same time. So, all right, I'll let them do all 4 tires and we'll go from there. Obviously, took the tire off. Pulling the tire into the stand over here is getting them ready. The man's getting them ready and whatnot. Gonna take off this tire here on this side. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, I got the delivery of my 2 tires the other day, right? So these are my specs on the tires. It's 255 3019 for the front, so they could fit. If anybody has, any questions about anything, just shout me out. And, I'll answer any questions you may have as best I can. So, right now I'm just waiting to get the job done. Right now he's putting the new sensors in. I can see. I'm sorry. That's hard to see, but he's putting new sensors in. I hope these sensors is good. I got these for A Premium. You can see the box right there. Look okay. Perfect. Thank you, mi amigo. Gracias. Now he's trying to put the tires on. Obviously, he's gonna have to stretch these just a little bit. It's good at doing his thing. He got him on right away, faster than the other guy did. I'm not gonna lie, he got them faster than the other guy. Like quick, easy. Boom, I'm telling you, they're good here. Henry's, they're good. Tell them Drift Viral sent you. They're good. 1, 2, 3, man. 1, 2, 3. I just gotta repeat 3 more times. All right, now he done. Putting tires back on. Telling you, this dude works pretty fast. It's pretty good. Most of these guys, they'll just put the nut on the gun and they just go in right away. But he always starts them by hand first, and then he uses the gun. So, and that makes a big difference because some of these guys, they'll strip the thing. They'll be tight, but they'll be stripped. And he doesn't over tighten them, which is what I like. Now he's working on the rears. The rears, all you got to do is just put in the sensors. The tires are probably like a year old, so they're good. As you can see right now, it says the tire pressure monitor system is inactive. So I'm gonna drive for a little bit, and when it turns back on, I'll let you guys know. Well, I should say not turn off. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, before it didn't allow me to even try to reset it. And look, the light went off. So yeah, this is great, man. You know, the light went off, and it says it's active. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you, A Premium One Auto. That was great. You know, I've used their products a lot, and I have to say, man, like they're on point with this one. This is pre-programmed. I don't have to program it. We just go there and then have them change it. This is Drift Virals, man. We're out, and it's another successful DIY. Hit me up on the messages, if anything, and just let me know if you need help with anything. All right, I'm willing to help. I've even done a little bit of Zoom calls with some guys to help them out with how to change and do certain things. So let me know. I'll talk to you later. Just Virals. We're out.